In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrow in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your file, access the drawing tools, place a clean arrow, and resize it so it points precisely where you need. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. This can be Acrobat Reader or Acrobat Pro. Either works for simple markups like arrows. Give the app a moment to load so the toolbars populate properly. If you've recently used a file, you'll see it on the home screen. Otherwise, just head into the main workspace so you're ready to bring in your PDF. Next, select the PDF you want to annotate. You can open it from your recent list or browse to it through the Open option. Once the document is on screen, make sure it's not restricted from commenting. Most standard PDFs allow annotations, and you'll know everything is good to go when the commenting or markup tools are available along the top or on the right panel. Now, look for the drawing tools. In Acrobat, the arrow lives under the same family as the line, so you'll find it in the Draw area. Open the Tools menu or the Comment toolbar. Then click the Draw icon. It typically looks like a pencil or marker. From the menu that appears, choose Line. Even though it's labeled as a line, this is the tool used for arrows in Acrobat's drawing set, so selecting it is the correct choice for pointing to items in your document. With the Line tool active, click where you want the arrow to start and drag toward the place you want it to point. Release to place it. If you need to refine it, select the line again and use the handles at the ends to adjust the length and direction. This is the easiest way to control the size. Simply drag a handle outward to extend the arrow or inward to make it shorter. If you want a neat, perfectly horizontal or vertical arrow, hold the Shift key while you drag to keep it aligned. You can also reposition the entire arrow by dragging from the center if you placed it a little off. That's it. You've opened Acrobat, chosen your PDF, used the Draw menu to pick the Line tool, and adjusted the size so your arrow is clear and accurate. If you're continuing to organize your document, be sure to go to How to Duplicate Page on Adobe Acrobat, Full 2024 Guide. It's a great next step to streamline your workflow once your annotations are in place.